The answer to that is it depends on the state laws and board rules in your state. Very easy to find out what those rules are. Just go online, go to your state board, look up the rules and laws. You can even just search on advertising restrictions or just advertising and you'll find the rules right there. Generally speaking, you can include patient testimonials as long as they're truthful and not fantastic, like, the doctor adjusted me and I went to the moon and back. That's not possible. It didn't happen. So as long as it's not fantastic, as long as it's truthful, you can generally do them. Just check with your state laws and rules. And some of the different states will have rules like it has to be in writing, it has to be signed by the patient and in their patient file. Sometimes you even have to send it into the state board to have them look at it first. Just a few states, I think, do that. So check your rules, and generally speaking, you're able to do that. It's also wise, too, when you have a patient testimonial, of course, you've got to comply with HIPAA, which means that they give permission for you to use that testimonial. And while you're getting that permission under HIPAA, you can also make sure that they sign off on any rights to that information or any sort of compensation for giving that patient testimonial or recommendation.